Hello guys, sometimes you want to wear something comfy but still feel like you have made an effort? Yeah, that's exactly where this haul is coming from. I am loving these printed kurta sets lately, and trust me, these are not the basic ones. And this time it's a mix of prints and styles. I am showcasing ikat prints, floral prints, with some angrakha style threadwork embroidery, even a three-piece dupatta set. And all of these are super comfortable, breathable, and wearable. And some of these pieces surprised me, I'm not going to lie, and I have tried to style them the way I actually wear them. So let's get into it. I'm showcasing 7 different styles and I'll tell you where you could wear them. Okay, I am starting today's haul with this beautiful set from Indoera. First of all, look at this print. It has got that geometric ikat vibe going on. I love that it stands out but still super wearable. It's made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is super breathable and perfect for those hot sticky days. It has that V-neck 3/4 sleeves classic combo, and panel design at the front gives it that nice shape, nothing too fitted but structured enough to look put together. They have added a subtle lace trim on neckline and sleeves, such a small detail, but it really softens the whole look. Kurta is straight hem in calf length and trousers are in matching print. They are cropped and partially elasticated, comfortable enough to wear all day. Seriously, I kept the styling really clean with these gold hoops, simple gold bracelet, my acrylic strap heels. I added this structured bag from Guess to give it a slightly polished vibe. It is a simple look, but everything comes together so nicely. I can totally wear this look for work, casual meetups, small get-togethers. This is a kind of look which works for everywhere. This next one is from brand Sangria and it is giving that desi comfortable vibe. It is that angrakha style kurta, and please note it is not only angrakha style, it is actually angrakha kurta. It has this V neckline and classic 3/4 sleeves, and it has this A-line flared shape that sits on body perfectly. This one is a floral printed kurta sets, and prints are in contrast color, giving full-on desi vibe. It's made in 100% cotton fabric, which means it is soft and breathable and perfect for those long days when you want to wear something light. Kurta is knee length with this soft flare, plus it has a pocket, which we always love. What really makes it pop though is this beautiful contrast lace detail and this tassel tie-up at the front. It adds a little character to this look without being too much. Because kurta has this loud contrast prints, I styled it with minimal jewelry. These simple silver pearl hoops, a simple bangle. For the footwear, I picked up my Jaipuri jutis because when kurta set is this desi, footwear has to match the vibe. This one is perfect for low-key family function or casual outing when you want to wear something desi. Okay, this next one is again from Indoera and I am obsessed with the print play in this one. It has got this panel detailing, mixing stripes and geometrics. Such a cool combo without being too loud. It has got V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, classic combo, but it has these little sequence detail at the neckline. It's super subtle but gives it that little bit of extra shine, which makes it feel a bit more put together. And this neckline creating a yoke kind of effect, and there are pleats below it, which is giving the nice flare to the kurta. Kurta is calf length. Again, the whole set made in pure cotton fabric, so very breathable and super comfortable for long day. It comes with solid black trousers which are cropped and partially elasticated. I feel they balance the busy print on the top really well. I styled this look with these silver oxidized jhumkas, this statement ring, a simple bracelet. For the footwear, I went with my Carlton London black heels and I added this Lino Paris bag for that fun pop of color. I can totally wear this look for ethnic day on work, family function, or for a dinner when I want to give a desi glam. This next one is from brand Moara. I am trying for the first time. Another thing, this is the only 3-piece set in this haul, but honestly the color had me. I saw it and I was like, yes, this needs to be here. Again, this is an ikat style geometric printed kurta set in this beautiful blue color. It's made in pure cotton fabric, which means super comfortable and breathable as always. It has this beautiful A-line shape. It has V neckline and 3/4 sleeves, but what makes it really stand out is this broad patti around the neckline, which gives a kind of yoke effect, and there are these pleats below it, which gives this a nice relaxed flowy A-line shape. And it's got this beautiful contrast threadwork detail on neckline and sleeve, nothing too fleshy but just enough to make it feel little more dressed up. The trousers, which are fully elasticated, are also printed too, but they are not same as the kurta, which actually I love. Then there is this dupatta, pulls it all together. It is this pure cotton, really soft dupatta, mixing the elements from both kurta and trousers, which ties in the whole look together. I styled this one with these oxidized polki jhumkas, statement ring, simple bracelet, and finished it off with my Must Harbor heels to keep it clean, still polished. This one is perfect for family dinner, small festive events, even on ethnic day at work. Super comfortable yet super glam. This one is from Anoop. It is a classic piece you will keep reaching for. It is a navy blue color kurta set with ikat style geometric print. Really simple, but honestly, simplicity is what makes it stand out. It's a straight cut kurta with V neckline and 3/4 sleeves. It has calf length with straight hem, no drama, just a solid everyday piece that looks and feels good. Again, fabric is pure cotton, so perfect for everyday wear. It comes with matching printed palazzos that are partially elasticated and bonus one pocket. Very functional, and we love that. I styled it with silver pearl hoop earrings and a bracelet to keep things clean, simple and minimal. For the footwear, my Must Harbor heels, and I added this Van Heusen tote bag because definitely you can wear this look to work. Easy, presentable and comfy all day. This next one is from Sangria again. It is kind of comfy but different. It is an ikat printed kurta set with Afghan style salwar made in pure cotton fabric, which means it is super breathable and wearable and easy to wear all day. This kurta has round notch neck, long flared sleeves. It has this beautiful A-line shape with curved hemline. It is knee length long kurta, and yes, it has a pocket too. White lace detailing on the sleeves and kurta hem gives it that soft pretty touch, and it has these beautiful buttons at the front. It's subtle but gives it a little structure. Salwar is also printed same as the kurta, so it gives that cord set kind of a feeling. It is fully elasticated and flowy. Love this Afghan vibe. I kept the styling little lighter for this one. I styled it with silver oxidized jewelry, these simple small earrings, a simple bracelet, and for the footwear, my Must Harbor heels to keep the things balanced. This one is perfect for casual day outs, visiting family, or even for those days when you want to feel easy but still want to look elegant. This last one is again from Sangria and I kept it at the last for a reason. It's bold, super bright and colors are very contrasty. Honestly, I wasn't very sure about this when I ordered, but something about this dress was pulling me in, so I thought, let me give it a try. Again, it's in ikat style geometric printed kurta set. It's written on the description that it is made in pure cotton fabric, but it doesn't feel like pure cotton. It's a cotton blend kind of a fabric. It has got this beautiful mandarin collar with button patti, normal 3/4 sleeves, and it has got this empire waistline with these gathers effect. It is written it is knee length kurta, but what I received is ankle length kurta. It comes with solid blue trousers which are fully elasticated and comfortable to wear. I styled it with these pearl hoop earrings, gold bracelet. For the footwear, I picked up my Must Harbor heels and my look is ready. I am still not very sure about this look. Please tell me in the comments, what do you guys think? Okay, that's the haul, guys. And each piece had its own vibe. Some are desi, some are casual everyday, some are low-key glam. So tell me in the comments which one was your favorite look and which look would you like to try. And if you like this haul, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video with another styling story. Bye till then.